Hi children, good morning. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome you all once again to our video classes. So children, in the last class we have seen about the gerunds and present participles. I think all of you have understood about it. Most of you have only written the ing form word of it. You haven't written the whether it is a gerund or a present participle. Only a few students have mentioned that. Okay, and some of you have not even written the exercises. I have mentioned that also. So please complete that homework, those who haven't done it. Okay, so today we shall go with the writing part and the listening skills. Okay, children. So, children, today your writing skills is to write a notice, similarly as you have found in the lesson of how the giant had written, no, trespassers will be prosecuted. So, from the play you have seen this notice. So, like this notice, where you will find. So, similar one line notice you can just write down for this following places, for hospitals, banks, public places, schools, at homes. Okay, like for hospitals, you can write, you should maintain silence, no? So, keep silence. Then, banks, you can write visitors are allowed only. For hospitals, you can write down that visitors are allowed only from 4 to 5. So such notices also you will find, and near the lifts also you will find, no, that only for doctors and patients. Next, like banks, you will find check your belongings before you leave. Okay. Next, public places also, what you'll find, smoking is prohibited in public places and no parking. Then schools, parents are not allowed into the classrooms. Okay. Then don't run in the corridors. Yes, and go in a line. So like that, in schools you can just find these notices, and at home, like beware of dogs. Okay, so like this you can just write down one line notices, what I have told you for this writing skills. Okay, now the next one we will see about the listening skills. So today in the listening skills, I will just read about the garden of Lal Bagh, which is in Bangalore. Okay, listen to it. Once I'll read it slowly. So listen carefully to it, and then you have to answer the questions. Okay, followed by it. So listen to the reading what I am doing. I'm giving about a description of a garden. So listen to it carefully. Dear students, now we are in Lal Bagh Garden, Bangalore. It means the Red Garden in English. It is one of the famous gardens in India. It is located to south of the city center and Bangalore's main attraction. Hyder Ali, the ruler of Mysore, commissioned the building of the garden in 1760. His son, Tipu Sultan, completed it by importing trees and plants from several countries. The garden has over 1000 species of flora. The garden is spread over 240 acres. The glass house is the main attraction in this garden, modeled on London's Crystal Palace. Look there, you can see a 300-year-old Christmas tree. There are many such old trees we can find in the garden. Children, look there, you can find the scientific name tag to each tree. Now we are moving towards the rose garden, which is another highlight of Lal Bagh. It has almost all the species of roses available worldwide. Now we are at the giant electronic quartz flower clock built by HMT. In this garden, flower shows are conducted every year to educate people about different flora and help cultivate the habit of growing plants among the public. Okay, children, have you listened to the description that I have read? Now, you have any doubt, keep listening to it again and again, and then answer the questions that follow. Okay? Now, here are the questions. After listening to the description, you have to answer these questions. Okay? Where is the garden located? So, you have to listen to the description that I have read and then answer these questions. Now, what is so special about it? So, you after hearing to that, what is the special thing that I have read about it? Any one thing you can just write it down. Okay. And one more, after these two you have to write down, and even the writing skills that I have told you, that also the notices you have to write and answer these two questions. And you have to send one voice message. Any 5 sentences you have to speak about any garden that you have visited. So any garden, whatever garden and what you have seen there. Okay. So what is the description of the garden you have to tell in 5 sentences. That you have to send it like voice message. So this is your oral activity. This writing skills, notices you write down, and also after listening to the description that I have read, answer these 2 questions. And one oral activity is you have to send the voice message about talking about any garden that you have visited. Just write 5 sentences and then speak out. Okay? So tomorrow your assignment, today's your assignment is this. Okay? So please send your voice message and complete the assignment given in the video. So in the next class we shall see about the next poem that you have, The Garden Within. Okay children, till then, bye. Thank you.